Hey y'all, welcome back to Sidewynders Shed. What I have here is a few pictures of a lawnmower, myself and a friend of mine, Doogie. Big thanks to Doogie for helping me out with this today. I have 7 dead lawnmowers, and what we did was I've taken all 7 of those so far, and I've made 3 good ones. The one we're working on here that Doogie helped me with big time is we decided we're going to make one for the front yard, and my wife said, hey, if you make a lawnmower I can push and it works and everything, I'll help you with the lawn. I said okay, so I took her up on that challenge, and Doogie and I, we put one together, and not only that, but we painted it her favorite color, plum crazy purple. That's because love you, dear. You are plum crazy. But anyway, this is what we ended up with. And again, big shout out, big thank you to Doogie for helping me with this. I think it turned out pretty good. And I also want to give a big shout out and a big thank you to all my subscribers. I really do appreciate it. Now this is the second video of this I made, because the first one, the pictures didn't turn out right. So anyway, if y'all saw that, this shows more of better pictures of what we did today. Anyway, y'all have yourselves a great weekend. Have a good week. Be safe, and thank you for subscribing and sticking with me. You all take care.